Hi there, hope you have a fantastic day today. This lesson I will teach you annuity. There is a PDF file versions on the description below for you to download if you like, so you can work with me. Otherwise, let's go straight into it. The table is showing the future values of an annuity of $1. So we have interest rate per period. And then this is the period. So period is N. So let me just write this down, N. So let's say, for example, if we have the period is 3 and the interest rate, let's say 5%. So 5%. So therefore, the future value for this will be, we just look columnly and then we look horizontal, which is in row. So the future value of this will be 3.1525. So in another word, if we put $3 in the bank, so our future value will be $3.15. Okay, remember that because we put money in the bank 3 times. So every time we put is $1, $1 and $1. So 3 times, so $3. So therefore, the future value for $3 is becomes $3.15. So this means that the interest is 15 cents. So keep that in mind. So let's just go through a couple examples. So first one is we make regular contributions of $2,600 per year and for 5 years. So this means that N is equal to 5 because we make 5 regular payment. So N is 5. And then the interest rate is 4% per annum. So therefore the interest rate is 4% and it compounds annually. So we do not have to change anything, okay? So the interest rate is 4%, go down, and then we go across. So this is the future value. So this means that every dollar we put in, and for 5 payments, so this means that, so every dollar we contributed in 5 regular payment, so the future value for this is 5.4163. But then our regular contribution is $2,600. So instead of $1, so we deposit $2,600. So from 1 to 2,600, so which is times by 2,600. So whatever we do on the left hand side, we need to do the same thing on the right hand side. So which is times by 2,600. So now I just put that on a calculator. So 5.4136 we times by 2,600. So there you go. So that is $14,082.32. So 14082.38. So therefore the future value is $14,082.32. So there you go. That is the future value. Second example. So the regular payment is $800 per quarter and for 2 years. So this means that 1 year we pay 4 times. Okay, just remember that. So therefore, to work out N, so N is equal to every year we pay 4 times, and then for 2 years we times by 2. So altogether we paid 8 times. So 8 regular payment. Okay, remember that. And the interest rate 4% per year, and it compound quarterly. So this means that the interest rate is 4% per year, but then it compound quarterly. So that means every quarter we get the interest. So this means that we need to divide by 4 because 4 quarters in a year. So we divide this by 4. So that is 1% per quarter. So now for 1%, we have to look at this column here. And then N is equal to 8. So we go across from 8, you go across. So this is the future value. So in another word, so if we make 8 regular payment for each time we make is $1, so that means we put $8 in, okay? So therefore, the future value is $8.29 if you like. So the interest is 29 cents. So we just use $8 and 29 minus $8 because we put $8 in. Okay, just remember, not a dollar, because every time we put a dollar and we make it 8 times. Okay, so remember that. So that therefore we put $8 in. So remember that. So to work this out, so for the regular contributions of a dollar, we get 8.2857. So therefore, and we make a regular payment of $800. So that will give me, so from here to here, I times by 800, because from 1 to 800 is 800 times. So whatever I do on the left, I do exactly the same on the right hand side. So I times by 800. So now I just put that in a calculator. So I just go 8.2857 with times 800. So there you go, $6,628.56. So 6628.56. So therefore, $6,628.56. So that is the future value. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi, I'm back. How do you go? So let me go through it with you, okay? Before I do that, please do not forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe if you haven't done so you can help me to grow my channel. So let's get into this. So first of all, we know that the regular contributions is $25,000 and for every 6 months for 2 years. So first of all, we know that every year we make 2 regular payments because we contributed every 6 months. So this means that 1 year we have 2 lots of 6 months. So N equal 2 times 2. So that means we make 4 regular payment. And R is 4% per year. But then we make twice a year. So therefore the interest rate also compounded twice a year. So therefore we have to divide this by 2. So therefore the interest rate is 2%. So that means the interest rate is compounded every 6 months, if you like. So therefore R becomes 2. So now we just look up the table. So N is equal to 4. So this means that in this column here, and the interest rate is 2%. So 2% is here. So we go down. So this is the future value. So there you go. So first of all, so if we make a regular payment of $1, the future value will be $4.1216. But then we make a regular payment of $25,000. So this means that from here to here, we times by 25,000. So therefore, this also need to times by 25,000. So now I just put that on a calculator. So I just go 4.1216 times 25,000. So there you go, $103,040. So $103,040. So there you go. So therefore, the future value is $103,040. So there you go. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi, I'm back. How do you go? So let me go through it with you, okay? So first one. So we need to use the table to work out the future value for the investment. So we know that the regular contribution is $3,600 at the end of every year for 4 years. So this means that N is equal to 4. And the regular payment is $3,600. The interest rate is 5% per year, per annum, okay? And compounded yearly. So we do not have to change anything. So the R is still stay the same, 5% per year. So therefore, we know that R is 5 and then the N is 4. So therefore, we just go across and go down. So this is the value. So therefore, the future value of a dollar that we made is $4.3101. But then we make a regular contribution of 3,600. So 3,600. So this means that from here to here, we time by 3,600. So therefore, we need to do the same thing on the right hand side. So time by 3,600. So just put that on a calculator. So just go 4.3103 we times by 3,600. So there you go. So $15,516.30. So 15516.36. And this is part 1, of course. So therefore, the future value is $15,516.36. So there you go. So part 2. So how much interest does Rod earn? So the interest is the future value minus the amount of money that Rod put in the bank. Okay, if you like. So therefore, part 2. So the interest is equal to the future value, which is 15516.36 minus the total amount that he put in the bank, if you like. So that means every time he make a $3,600 and he made 4 regular payments. So therefore, this is the amount he put in the bank. So that will give me the interest. So that will give me, I just press answer minus 3600, that is 3,600 for the regular payment, and he made it 4 times. So there you go. So the interest is $1,116.36. So $1,116.36. So there you go. I hope you got all of them correct. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.